Experts believe the sword you see here dates back to the 6th century and the days of King Arthur. Stumbled upon by a National Trust Wales ranger during footpath work near Llyn Ogwen, this is an extraordinary find. There is just one question. Could it be Excalibur?
The sword was found right on the shores of the lake behind me, not in the lake, but very, very close. Technologically, it looks to be right for the period that the legends relate to. It's very, very exciting. We've obviously got to do further analysis to verify the details, but yeah, it's a one-off.
Ia, ni'r ffordd yn doedd i wneud bach o waith llwybrau o amgylch Llyn Ogwen, ac ar y ffordd yna, ni weld bod yna rhywbeth yn just yr ochr yn llygad yn sticio allan o'r llawr.
Ia, tyllu rownd o a ffeindio yna Cleddyf o.
Ie, so athyn ni yna, a iolodd yr un yn ganfod yno, ynddo?
Do, ond neb arall yn gallu tynnu allan, mond iol.
Da ni'n mynd i fod y waith ys hynny.
Mae rhaid bod nhw'n sbio os oes yna waith brenhinol gyda neu rhywbeth.
Mae rhaid.
The National Trust are working with Arthurian experts and archaeologists to determine if the faint embellishments along the hilt match descriptions of the sword from the Mabinogion. To see the sword in all its glory, visit Ogwen Cottage.